Hello guys, and welcome on our YouTube channel ExcelXam. So today we are going to see how to combine two charts using data on our Excel sheet. So usually we need to have or appreciate more detailed representation of our data, so it is possible for you guys to combine two different values or two different data on a single chart. So let's see it how it is done. Now before we continue, I would like to remind you that you have entered to the second chapter of our training, and this consists of combining charts or using charts in Excel in order to analyze data. So as I was saying, we are going to go at the level of the insert tab, and from the chart group we are going to select the arrow that goes to the right. Yeah, so we need first of all to select our data before having the chart, and we select all charts, and then you're going to see under here combo. You click on combo, and then they are going to propose you several different charts that you may use in order to represent your data, but it is preferable or it is appreciable to take this one because it is better to read. Now as you can see under here, we have we can choose the chart type and the axis of the data series of the data. Okay, so you can actually click on OK, and then the chart will be generated. Now you can then determine or write down the chart's name or the chart's title. Now beside that, we can also create another type of chart. Okay, now this type of chart will show us other forms of linings. So we're going to have instead two lines like this one, and then if you click on OK, we are going to wait. Okay, let me try another one. Good. So we are going to have another chart. Good. As you can see, we had two different charts which are being represented as DOS. So you can actually have two different charts from a particular group of data, as you can see, and now you can then modify the chart as you wish, determine a different chart styles like this one. Okay, good. So you can do same for these. Okay, so this is how it is done. So I hope you guys love the video. We have come to the end of our video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share. So bye bye.